What's up, guys? Hello.
Hey.
Today we are cleaning up this beautiful space that is my beauty room and Crystal's stuff room. Crystal comes over and she'll do her makeup for events or for birthday parties, or if she's going downtown, or if I'm doing a video, she'll like try some new things. So she also keeps her stuff here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I'm zooming in, but honestly, my space is just as bad. So this is my beauty room. If you haven't seen, there's a beautiful Lorac palette on the ground. It's a little messy. This area is really clean because nothing happens over here, but we also have this lovely table over here with stuff. So we are cleaning all of this today, and I will be vlog styling it out with Crystal. Ooh, this lighting is not attractive for literally anyone.
I look blue.
Yeah.
I'm blue-blooded.
We will be showing you all of this as it gets cleaned, checking back in, and then I'm going to update you on what this channel is going to kind of be like. So stick around, enjoy this and this, because isn't she the cutest? Okay, let's begin. side is pretty much done. I didn't have that much to do.
Yeah.
Crystal is currently organizing her pretty much like travel makeup bag as of right now.
I mean, this is just where all my makeup is all the time because I don't live here.
Yeah. So, I'm going to update you on some channel changes. Woohoo!
Exciting.
So, I talked to Katie, which if you do not know who Katie is, she is fantastic. She is in the video that is the Get to Know Us, which is not blocked for any of you who are under the age of 18 because I think there's a little bit of swearing, but I did want to keep it unblocked for those of you who wanted to get to know Katie because she is not as active on this channel as she would like to be. We talked it over about what our channel, the idea of our channel is more so going to evolve into. So we know that we wanted it to be about makeup, but I also wanted to kind of take our channel to the next level. For those of you who are new here, welcome. I'm RJ or Jenna. You might know me from seeing me at work, or you might know me from my family, or you might just be a lucky individual like Crystal to have met me and be my friend. So, I do a lot of makeup, but I have been watching a lot of Shane Dawson recently. If you do not know who Shane Dawson is, check his channel out. He's super freaking funny. At least I think he's super funny. I know Katie doesn't find him exactly the funniest, but I
find him very funny.
So funny. He does a lot of vlogging, and a lot of his friends, they also have YouTube channels, and they do a lot of vlogging, and I've kind of like vlogged here and there if I was having technical difficulties, or like even doing my, get like these little baskets that I create, and wear tests, which I have plans but have not done. Those are going to be more in a vlog style, but Katie is she's kind of a fashion designer. She would like to be a fashion designer. I think she is in her own ways because her style is super cool. She's super goth, super awesome, love her to death, and she just like is the person. If I'm not sure about an outfit, I reach out to her and my friend Samara, who also has a YouTube channel. She's also been on this channel about my outfits because I trust their opinion, they have a good sense of style, and they know me well enough to be like, Jenna, that looks good, or Jenna, that looks like crap, or if you add this, you might like it a little bit more, and they're always right. So that's what this channel is going to kind of evolve into. Not only makeup, but it's going to be about beauty, it's going to be about our lives, it's going to be like more fun topics that, I don't know, I guess like what I'm trying to say is we're going to do a bunch of different things that is not just makeup, but everything. You'll get to know us a little bit more, see what our lives are like. I recently went to Chicago, and I originally did take a video of me doing my makeup in the car, but for some reason when I plug it into my computer, it's not popping up, the videos aren't popping up, and I tried sending it via email to myself, and it's just like it keeps saying that it's not connected to the internet, which isn't true because the bars say that it is. So I don't know what's going on there. I had my roommate help me with it. He doesn't know what's going on there. So this is the video that is placing that, and then I have two other videos, makeup style videos, where Crystal and I are trying a bunch of beauty influencer palettes. So there's a little update. I hope you enjoyed us cleaning up this mess and organizing our lives. Before I leave you guys, I did want to talk about a few of my favorite products that I took while traveling with me to Chicago. I went to Chicago to visit some family, some friends. Let's see. One of my favorite products while I was traveling was, and which always is, my Honey Do Me Up serum. I didn't always have time to wash my face as much as I would heavily wash my face, so I loved putting this on my face and giving it some more nutrition. Something that really disappointed me while I was traveling was my Milani eyeshadow primer. I found that it did not, it was not sweat proof. I would walk around, and then I remember looking at myself in the mirror when I was in Chicago, and there was just bunched up eyeshadow creased in my, I was so upset. I was like, I have to redo my makeup, which I was going to take a nap, so it wasn't that bad, and I was just like, whatever, if it gets ruined more, I can just redo it. So that was really disappointing to find out that this was not as crease proof as I thought, but it was also like 90 degrees and humid, which isn't like how it normally is in the town that we live in. Something that also really disappointed me was the Worth the Hype mascara by NYX Professional Makeup. This flaked so much. I would look at myself, not only was the whole like crease thing happening, but underneath my eyes there were just these little speckles of black. And so I don't know if it was the heat. I don't know if this tube is getting old or what. It could be. So I did buy a new tube a while ago. So I will be trying this out again to see what happens. But hopefully it does not continue to do that. What's another product? A product that I did not think I didn't really like was this Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mist. Basically, you spray this over your foundation or like any powders, and it like makes your skin look really nice and dewy and fresh. And during the work weeks, I absolutely hate this because you make your face look dewy, and then you go to work, you sweat, you work, you lift things, and then you just look like a sweaty mess. Now, when I was in Chicago, I absolutely love this stuff. It didn't make me look that gross. It just like made me look like I had a healthy skin glow to me. I used it to like brighten up any of the eyeshadows in this palette, which, by the way, this shade as a blush in this Juvia's Douce palette is so good. It looks so good on my skin. We'll have to try it on your skin sometime. But this as a blush was phenomenal. Absolutely loved it.
And I look at it and I'm just like, I feel like that would be way too dark for me.
Yeah. Well, I thought it was going to be too, like, dark for me even, but it didn't look that bad. Okay, so I will talk about one more product and then I'm done with this video. One thing that I absolutely love, which I always love, is this Born This Way powder. It just sets the makeup perfect. I was having, like, the biggest issue with my nose this past weekend where I would apply my foundation or my concealer, and then I would do, like, my highlighter, and I would rub my nose, and it would just rub off. So the pores on my nose right now are opening up and releasing a bunch of oils, which that has never happened to me before, but it is happening right now, and it sucks. So instead of trying to like put on concealer, put on foundation, I literally just put this, just the translucent powder on my nose, and it looked like I was wearing foundation. So that's what I have for fun travel things that I thought were like my ride or dies that either did or didn't work. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are looking forward to the new content that is to come. And I think that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Tell me what you're most interested in seeing about my life, or any tips, any tricks. And that's the end of the video.